help you? Can we help you? Come pick him up.
I'm not gonna pick you up, but you're gonna be a footstool. You're gonna be a footstool. Look, look. Go up. Don't know how to use a footstool.
Kaka. So this little one is just enjoying in the suitcase. We're trying to organize and making sure that all the pounds are evenly. We're flying Fiji Airways from LAX to Fiji and then Fiji to Samoa. So in this moment, we're waiting for the shuttle. The shuttle is taking us from the hotel to the airport, and the kids are so excited. As you can tell, look at Ali. He's just shaking his head. So we got there so early because I wanted to get there early because, you know, having a baby, and couldn't record every part of it because I'm the only adult. And here we finally went through the security, checked in our bags, and here is my mother-in-law. She's so happy. So here is the long walk from the security to the gate. And believe me, you don't need, for me, I have to be comfortable. Like my mom, she has her sandals on and just her comfortable clothes on because it's going to be a long night and long walk. So yeah. So right now we're going to the gate, making our way to the gate. And I think I forgot to mention that yes, we moved. Our whole family moved, including my mother-in-law, and she's so excited. She hasn't been to Samoa for over 20 years. I'm not sure exactly how long, but at this moment, this is her first time at the airport in years, and it did not look like that. So right now we're on the plane, and she can tell Ali'i is making a mess. So here we are. He's in the bassinet, but he's too big for the bassinet. So I think we're trying to put him to sleep so we can relax and enjoy the flight. Okay, we're all just waiting for him to go to bed or a nap. I have this specific seat is right when you enter the plane, and it's right on your far left. This is where this row is, and I have to purchase it so that way I can be comfortable with this little guy, you know, for 10 hours. Because I know the economy seats all the way in the back, they're very small and tiny. And I having a baby, it would be really, really difficult to maneuver around. So this seat row specifically, I have to purchase it for the three of us, and it was really, really comfortable because there's a lot of leg room right in front of us, and it was so perfect, so good. I'm so glad I purchased it because it was so worth it. So yeah, right now we're eating it, and my mom is just doing her thing, her usual with him, which is in Samoa she just mama him. But yeah, it's a Samoan thing. But anyways, now he just woke up from a nap. It wasn't even that long.
Since you gave me love, I haven't seen a bad thing in a while. All the flowers and the bees got nothing on you. That's true. We're just two lovebirds singing in the same tune.
This was supposed to be a vlog going home because for my mother-in-law, but that didn't happen, especially with a 1-year-old, and I'm the only adult. So yeah, this is what we have, and it's better than nothing. So we're just gonna keep it for memories, because I love recording and store it so that way we can watch it together as a family. So this is how far I can vlog, because really, really hard doing everything plus my 1-year-old. So I hope you enjoy. It's not perfect, but it's something.
Yeah, but I still need to go wash that. back.
Mais non, elle est fait fière, mais c'est pas dit.
And now we are here in Fiji. Just landed. Bula bula bula. Bula Vinaka level. Welcome to Fiji. So at this moment, we are waiting for my brother-in-law, Ryan. I think he left his phone on the plane, so at this moment we're just waiting for him. Just a little short story on my mother-in-law. This is her first time in Fiji. She hasn't been back home for a very long time. Like I said previously, maybe 20 years. So I was supposed to vlog for her, but that won't happen. So I'm just, anytime I have free hands, I can record. So here we are. Now we're waiting in a waiting area to board our flight from Fiji to Samoa. So here we are. We are chilling, waiting for our next flight. I think it was 4 hours layover here in Fiji, but not too bad. In Fiji airport, they have really nice lounge, for you to relax and wait for your next flight.
Excuse me. Come open this side. Oh, come here. Come.
I know it does. I literally feel the same.
Camera professionals.
So now we're boarding our flight from Fiji to Samoa.
Remember when we were in Samoa, we were gonna leave and we saw Baki's friend? We made it after like 100.
Take a picture, Grandma.
Mom.